Beyond this, the diversity aspect of innovation, which I completely agree with, what are other aspects when it comes to innovating, taking risk? It's a big challenge and it's a big hurdle for managers who typically manage today's business. How do they make the transition from managing today's business to exploring and exploiting, new areas?
It is a huge question, and it is a question that a lot of leaders have struggled with over the past few years, where change has happened so fast, overnight. The environment changed. Now, just rolling out change programs is not going to work. Changing strategy overnight means that you need to be confident as a leader. You need to be able to lead as you. You need to be able to say, this is what I stand for, and this is what I see as the right thing, although it is totally uncertain out there. And how do you do that when there's no playbook of this is how you do it in this situation? This is where I work with leaders to make sure that they know what principles and values they stand for. Take the corporate values and also take your individual values. Where is that overlap where you can lead as you? Because very often you find the answers within you of how to lead. Even when things change overnight, you still have yourself to answer the questions, how do I lead in this situation? Now, what is it that you could stand for? It could be that you're standing for professionalism, or for care, or for innovation. And with that compass of, all right, this is what I stand for, how will you answer that question of how do I lead right now? How do I bring more innovation? Often that answer is within you if you have that confidence to lead with your leadership principles. It's the best we can do when we don't have a playbook with which we can lead, which we can follow, because everything has changed overnight.